my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'll be doing another try-on haul featuring Zeelool's glasses. So before we jump into today's video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And also hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I upload. You can also follow me on my other social accounts. They'll be right here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright y'all, so as I stated earlier, yes, today we are trying on some Zeelool glasses. If you guys are not familiar with Zeelool, what they are, they have an online prescription and non-prescription glassware company, and they have so many styles of frames that you could try, literally oversized, smaller frames, rectangular, circular, honestly just any size or shape that you could think of. They have them there, as well as so many different color and pattern options. So once you see today's frames, I'm pretty sure it's going to inspire you a little bit to go over to their website and check out their frames. And if you do decide to make a purchase, you can also use the discount code Kaya. I'll put it right here on the screen. It'll also be in my description bar below, and you can save some money on your purchase. So let's go ahead and jump into the goodies. I'll put the names on the screen as well as try and mention them throughout the video. So I have about 6 frames I'm going to show you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into them. I do wear contacts, so I wanted to make sure to take out the contacts because these are prescription. So they do include a cleansing cloth for you guys in your package so that way you can clean each pair. Alright, so here are these beautiful pair right here. These are the Cascada, and I might be pronouncing that wrong. I should have did like a Google Translate or Google pronunciation so it could have pronounced it for me so I would know. But that's how I'm going to pronounce it, okay? So these are the Cascada frames here in the peacock blue. These frames are absolutely beautiful. I also have these in an additional color, and I'll put a picture right here so you can see. But if you do like the shape and form of these frames, they are offered in other colors, you guys. But these are super cute. I have a mirror sitting right in front of me so I can make sure that everything is looking good. So these have a yellow top half and they fade into the peacock blue, and then the lighter shade of brown right here at the bottom. And then you have 2 little gold specks diamonds right here on the end just to add a little extra bedazzle. And then the ear tabs are also all blue, so you have majority blue in the frame. These are very sturdy, you guys. They're a bit on the oversized range. They're a little bit bigger, so I feel like if you wear these will definitely be the star of your face. Like, this is what someone's gonna notice for sure. These are very cute frames, so I like these a lot. These are absolutely gorgeous. They fit. Oh, I love. Okay, so these are the fuller frames, and they're in the color purple leopard, and it's giving, like, the purple, I feel it's giving a little bit of gray though, so make sure you think about that. If you do get these, they have like more of a gray undertone, but it is super pretty. Personally, I feel like I'm getting a little bit more gray than purple, but I do see why they threw in the purple leopard description of the color of the frame. So you get the whole leopard print throughout the entire frame, even here on the ear tab area. So these are more so, they're a little like in between of circular and square, honestly. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of circle but additional square. They have more of the pointy end here. They could fall in the cat frame as well. They fit like the face so snug and perfect. Like, I love how these feel. The material, I wish I could explain the material. I really don't know how to. It's not plastic, but they like have a very really nice slick texture to the feel of the glasses. These are very cute. They also feel extremely sturdy. I really like these. I can't wait to wear these out. I love these are super cute frames, you guys. They feel very playful, but I feel like you could still make them like super stylish as well, depending on what your outfit is. I love the pattern change into the solid color change as well. On top of that, this circle frame is so eye-catching. Like, these are super cute. So you have the pattern as well on the ear tab, and then you just have like that pop of red at the bottom. These are super duper steady and sturdy and secure. I do not feel like these are gonna pop and break at all. Like, they make me feel like they're kind of customized. Like, I kind of feel like I could probably wear like a costume with these, but they're just so, they're so unique. I really, really like these. So these are the Calhoun frames in the two-tone shade selection. They're super cute. So I feel like it's kind of like a purple and black up here, and then it fades into the red. Super cute color to collaborate with each other. I like how they put these two together. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, so these are the Kale. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right as well. K-A-H-L-E. They are in the color description of crystal. So I feel like from this distance, and I am going to give y'all a close-up, they look like they might be like diamonds or something, but these are actually covered in silver stars. But even like, I feel like it might be a good play on play a little bit, because from a distance someone's just gonna think I have like some crystallized or diamond looking frames on, but up close you'll be able to tell these are all stars, and it's different. Okay, it's really different. Would I choose these first in terms of the like pattern? Probably not. I'm not a fan of a bunch of stars, but the concept of the frames are very cute. Even from like a far distance, I feel like these are really cute. If they would have just been like little fake diamonds all around it, I think that would have been a whole lot better. Personally, I don't like the print or style of having stars all over my pieces of clothing or fashion or anything. But I feel like they're still cute. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you think of it. They're very, very sturdy. The frames are nice built. You also have a little bit of shine on the side, and then it fades into like a crystal clear. It's the entire frame, of course, is covered in the crystal stars. They're more so square shaped. But yeah, y'all let me know what you think of these in the comment section. I would love to hear what you think. I love the red and orange. The red and orange are super cute together. Those are like two colors that I've always loved to see together. I love the shape, the frame. It is so cute. So these are more on the smaller side. I don't feel like these are in the oversized section. They do have like two little crystal spots right there on the side. You have the orange lining with the red underneath, and then the ear tabs on the side are more so gold here. These are really cute. Feel very much so secure as well as sturdy. They're a little bit on the plastic side, but these are really cute, y'all. I like these a lot. I can't wait to like pair this up with a really cute outfit. I'm not sure what kind of outfit yet, but these will be really cute paired with something really cute. So these are the Myra frames in the shade of red. They do have these also offered in another color, you guys. So if you don't like the red, they do have another color option. These are fitting very well on my face. I like that they're sitting very comfortable with my eyelashes as well. That is something that's very important to me, because whenever I do my makeup, I love to have my lashes on. If I want to throw on my glasses, I want to make sure that the glasses are going to fit well with my oversized lashes, and they fit really good. Oh, we saved the best for last. I absolutely love these. They fit on the face so good. They're sitting so good. Oh, I love. Okay. So these are the Kale frames in green floral. Okay, so they do have a floral print to them. The only thing I would say, like straight off the bat, they do not fit well with my eyelashes. So if I wore these, I would have to wear them without eyelashes, but that is completely okay because I really like these. This whole style, pattern, size is so cute. So you have like two little gold specks right here at the corner. They frame out more of a cat eye. Then you have the same pattern here on the side. The frames are more so circular, but they frame the face so good. They're very sturdy, you guys. They are plastic, but these are so cute. And the greens, like the undertones of the green, it's just perfect. I really like these frames. Y'all rate these for me in the comment section below. So those are all 6 frames, you guys. So please let me know what you think of these frames in the comment section below. I'll be so happy to hear what you think of them. Thank you again to Zeelool for sending over these frames. If you guys do make a purchase from Zeelool, make sure you use the coupon code Kaya so you can save you some money on your purchase. And make sure you leave me a comment and let me know which ones you like the most as well. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.